everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wear. Where you get a week of outfits, you get lots of puppies, you get PA weather, and you get a bit of life in there. I sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Swipe to hype. I so appreciate it. If you're new, I'm Laura, and I do have furry sidekicks all around. I have 3 puppies, 1 kitty. The kitty is Harvey. You don't see him quite as much. Dexter is the beagle right here. You can see his tail. Loki is the white puppy who is filthy dirty because he just came inside and proceeded to get me filthy dirty. And then there is also Willie, who is my son's dog. He is a Jack Russell. So it's always a good time in my house. Let's see. It is Sunday morning. The sun is shining, but it's chilly. 44 degrees, getting up to 57. And I'm exhausted. I was moving stuff around last night. I hurt my back, so that's going on right before I have to travel and, you know, carry my own suitcase, lift it up, all that fun stuff. But I'm sure I'll be fine. I'm also, this is the 3rd week I'll be traveling this month. So 3 out of 4 weeks this month I have been on the road. So it's starting to catch up with me. I think this will be a great trip. I'm headed to Mexico for work, but I am ready for some quiet time at home. I'll be ready for it. Let's see, for today's outfit, I am all about comfy cozy. As I mentioned, it's the highest 57. The sun is out, so it feels really good, so I did layer. I put on Z Supply comfy pants that I got in a Wantable. Yes, they are dirty, so if you look too close, like I said, Willie and Loki both already got me today. I'll show you Loki. He's a white dog. It's easy to see the dirt on him. And the great part is we just clean the house. Anyway, I have a tank top on from the Loft you may recognize. And then to top it off, a Faraday, one of the, what are those called? The sweater shirts. Like, these are so soft. I love them. I got this one in a Trendsend. And then I even did comfy shoes. Hey, look, I'm talking, man. Be nice. Okay, so these are Dolce Vita. They have like the fun little Sherpa on the inside. Love these. And I did see that Dolce Vita is having, I don't know how long the sale is, but if you buy a pair of boots and spend $200 and use VIP 50, you'll get $50 off $200. I think you have to spend it only on boots. It has to be $200 on boots, but you get $50 off. So if there's any boots you've been eyeing, now's the time to do it. And that's my outfit. I put no jewelry on today because I have a video I want to get filmed for you all. And then I got to organize my life, pack all the fun stuff. I have to get up about 3:30 in the morning to hit the road to start this adventure. I do have to catch a flight, but just the finagling of all the stuff is going to be well orchestrated tomorrow. All right, I'm going to get to it. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is 5:10 in the morning. It's pitch black outside. Just woke up the neighborhood because I let the dogs out and there was a garbage truck. So that was a fun noise-making experience. So early in the morning. All right, let's see. I am super comfortable today, obviously. So I have like a car ride, another car ride, a plane ride, another plane ride. It's the logistics of it all, because I'm coming home differently, was fun. So I'm not going to look anything like I do right now by the time I reach my final destination much later tonight. It'll be pretty late tonight. But I dress super comfortably to plan for all of that. I have on rag and bone denim joggers. Like, these are that Miramar, super soft, feel like the French terry, like amazing. Paired it with just a Good American black tank. You've seen this a million times. And then the all day knit jacket by Z Supply. For shoes, I have on slip-on Dr. Scholl's in this fun little gold. And I'm not wearing much jewelry. I'm headed to Mexico. I kept it pretty calm. So I just have on an Ana Luisa necklace, my Virgo necklace. I have on a bracelet stack, and I'm ready to go. I just left the earrings in. I've been I've been wearing. All right, I'm off. I'll see you all tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. Yesterday was one of the longest travel days ever. I got up at 3:30 yesterday. I left my house at 5:30. Didn't get into my hotel room until after midnight, which would have been 2 o'clock my time. So, and then I didn't sleep well, of course, because it's a travel day and I have a lot going on this week. But I'm here is the good news. It's going to be a really good couple days now. And behind me here, I have a corner room and you're getting a little bit of reflection, but check that out. That's Guadalajara City. Isn't that nice? And you can see the sun coming up, which is gorgeous. I'll see if I can't grab a picture. It looks really, really nice. All right, so for my outfit today, I have on Sanctuary denim, paired with one of my amazing Nikki Bicky tanks, and I actually have an Evereve bralette on underneath it. You know how much I love my Evies. And then this really pretty top by, I believe it's Aster, I think. I'm gonna have to double check. This top is so pretty, this little mesh top, reminiscent of the dress that I had tried on from Stitch Fix with the oddly placed print. So I really like this one. It fits really pretty. And then I put on a gold belt from the Loft, and I have a Z Supply cardigan, so if it gets cold inside, I'm covered. For jewelry, same jewelry as yesterday. And then how about these fun shoes? I got these during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so you might remember them. They're by Marc Fisher. Little tiny heel. And that's my outfit. I gotta get to it. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. For me, it feels like it should be Friday by now, but it is only Wednesday. We've packed a whole lot into a super short time. It is gorgeous outside, so Guadalajara weather is basically sunny and 87. It's gorgeous outside. Yesterday was really nice, warm. We did a fun team event and then had a really great dinner. So it's been some full days. And for my outfit today, I have on Rag & Bone denim, so great to travel in. These are the Miramar, so they have like the, you know, the soft stuff, just like what I wore on Monday, paired with a Michael Stars top. This one came in a front door fashion. This Evereve blazer, which I am in love with. It has the zip out dicky, right? So it has a gray hood and a little zip in part, which I love. I took it out for this, but love this one. And my jewelry is all the same, except for I added a little Pura Vita Evil Eye necklace that I got in my travels. All right, so I get back tonight, but won't be home yet. I'll be home, well, I'll get home Thursday afternoon. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. Time for outfit of the day. I am almost back home, but not quite yet. 51 degrees outside. It's getting up to 66, so it's warmer than what I was expecting. I came from 87. So 66 really isn't that bad. I thought it was going to be much cooler. And for my outfit today, I am so comfortable because I have a drive, and then I'm back home. Somehow I think I got sick. So I have a sore throat this morning, so hopefully I can get rid of that. But I am, yeah, I'm cozy. I have on a pair of Vigoss jeans from a Wantable. My sweater is by Sanctuary. I got it several years ago now, I think, in a Trendsend. For shoes, I put my tennis shoes back on that I had on for the first leg of the trip. Those are by Dr. Scholl's, and my jewelry is all the same. All right, and it's raining. It's raining here. It was not raining in Mexico, which it typically doesn't. I think they have a rainy season, but it's raining here, and it's going to rain all week. All right, I'm off, and I will see you tomorrow for Friday. Hey everybody, it is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. I am exhausted. I see a fuzz flying through the air. I'm exhausted, so don't mind how I look. It's very late for me in the day on Friday, and the puppers are in quiet time right now. So I don't really have a Friday funny for you, but the puppers are starting to show all their little personality quirks, which I absolutely love. Dexter is like the baby, loves his little toys, brings them to you to play, wants to cuddle, but gets super excited and distracted easily. And Willie wants all the attention and thinks he's special. And Loki is the boss and usually the leader and everyone's following him, but he's also the one that will just walk away from all the mayhem and come back and sit with me. So they're just all starting to get all their little personalities, which is super cute. And for my outfit today, I have on a pair of pants from Wantable. These are by Mica. I have on a sweater by 525 from a JB Stylebox. I put on these fun shoes. They're Dolce Vita. I got in a Trendsend once upon a time. It's been a while. And I have on a necklace that's Ana Luisa, and that is it. That is as much energy as I had this morning. All right. Well, I am going to head back to work. I have a little bit more to do, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Saturday. Time for final outfit of the day. All right. Since I didn't give you anything really great for Friday Funny, I thought I would share Halloween costumes with you. So Dexter still has his on, which he had on a cute little Halloween. There, can you see it? It's his little Halloween jammies. He also has a Halloween. Collar on. So he was all decked out. So then Willie was Snoopy. And here's how Willie behaves when he has this costume on. He doesn't like it. Dexter doesn't care, as you can see. And Loki doesn't care. And Loki was Charlie Brown. So they had a good time yesterday. It was their first Halloween, and they were incredibly excitable with all the kids. Like, just making a lot of noise, but obviously super sweet. But they make so much noise when they see all the costumes and the people with their dogs. But they calm down a little bit into it. Okay, we have a lot to catch up on since I was gone all week, right? Monday, my Wantable posted. It was a good one. That one was the Cozy Tober edit. And the pieces were good. I had some fit issues. In the end, I only kept one item. I kept the Cozy Shacket and Camel, that just yummy, soft layer. So that is the only thing I kept from that one. I know, surprising, right? Then today, my Trendsend posted. How much do I love Trendsend? So much. All right. I kept, as usual, quite a bit from my Trendsend box. And I have the box here. So let's see what I kept. Because even I don't remember now. It's been about 2 weeks since I did that video. So I kept the jacket. I'm sure you're not surprised. You might remember that I kept or bought one from Anthropologie when they had a sale. It's a completely different look, luckily, because I wasn't going to keep this one if it matched. So that one is a dark brown. So I'm loving this one in the camel. And also the spots are really big, so much different than this one. All right, I did keep just the easy little tank. I kept the Michael Stars Tibby long sleeve. Kept the pink sweater. I did not keep the green one. I kept the pink one. I kept the little shacket with the fringe. I kept the long sleeve. Long sleeves. So this one was by Evereve. And let's see. I did keep the black belt with the gold hardware. I kept the dress by Z Supply. Oh, how yummy. I kept these pants because I thought they went so well with the shirt. I liked that together. I think you could do a lot of outfits with those too. And then last, I kept the fur vest. Such a good one. I'm so excited. I love my Trendsend pieces so much. I love Evereve, which I think this weekend, this will post tomorrow, 10% off everything on their site. So if there's anything you've been really hoping to grab and you're worried about it selling out and you don't want to wait for one of your Trendsends, then grab it. Grab it. 10% off everything site-wide right now. I try to pass on all the discounts I know about. Another one is, think Royland is having 25%. It's a shop, buy more, save more. So I think it starts at 15%. If you get up to $400, it's 25% off. So I think it's 15, 20, 25. So if you were thinking about any of that travel pieces, so I love Think Royland for the crossbody travel bags. They have a really awesome suitcase. They have a great tote for on top of your suitcase that hooks right on. So amazing pieces, worth checking out. All right, so for my outfit today, and we can wrap, I'm dressed comfortably. I have on 7 for All Mankind denim that I got in a Trendsend recently. Paired it with an old Chaser sweatshirt. If you remember this is so old. It's when I very first began doing Trendsend and quickly fell in love. So my Bon Jovi sweatshirt. Paired it with my Free People jacket. I have to put stuff everywhere because these dogs get on everything. So I don't even have it right here. Here it is. I love this one. I don't know if you guys remember this, but it's by Free People, and I also got it in a Trendsend quite some time ago with the hood that comes out. I love this. It's so cute. For shoes, these are oldies but goodies too. How about these by Lucky? And then I just have on an Ana Luisa necklace and my Louis necklace, my bracelet stack. Apparently Dexter hears somebody. And that's my outfit. All right, as always, and you can, now that you hear that sound, we hear that all the time, don't we? I'll list all my outfits down below in case you would like to check any of the pieces out. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll have the box links down below. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I cannot wait to hear what your favorite was. Please hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody.